type of backups are important. Again, we'll go. What is normal backup? It backups selected files and marks each file as a backup. Copy backups, it's also backup selected files but does not mark as a backup. This is like a, both are like full backup only. Okay. So another one is incremental backup. Incremental backup means backup selected file if they're created or modified since previous backup. Since previous backup, and also it is marks as a backup. And also it is marks as a backup. So what happens? So once you take in a normal backup, you have to take incremental or a differential backup. But in a differential backup, it does not mark them as a backup again. So that is the thing. Next one is daily backup. So you can take it whatever the data created today, that day, based on that date only, it will take the backup. Schedule, we can schedule the backup in a next. Already I created 3 files in a data one directory. So you can see archive attribute. Now I'm going to take a normal backup first of all. Okay. No, no. All programs, accessories, backup. Okay. So this is 2003. You know already we explained it. So backup files and settings. Let me choose computer, E drive, data one. Next. So already I given a date earlier. So today's date in a reverse order. Okay. Year, month, and date, and I told it is a normal backup. Next. Advance. Choose the normal backup. Choose the normal backup and read it. This one if possible. Okay. Verify data after backup, guys. You got a one question, right? So what it is? Af- After you are taking a backup, in backup location data maybe is not properly working or not, so you can verify it. Verify reads the backup data to verify integrity. This step takes extra time, but verification help ensure that your backup is successful. Means not only taking a backup but also the backup should be secure. So you can select it, this one also. I'm not selecting because it will take another 2-3 seconds. So you want to append the backup or replace the backup. Already backup is there in your location. It will verify the name. So you are taking backup with the same name, like backup one, backup one, backup one, backup one, always same name. So it will check. Do you want to append to the previous one or you want to replace the previous backups? You can choose anything, no problem here, because I use different name. You want to run the backup now or later, so it means schedule entry. You can see start date, you can see job name. So when you want to take a backup, so now it is not at we are okay. So this is a time showing, like you can go to set schedule task once, daily, weekly, monthly, at start of the system, at log on, when ideal, at startup, at system startup, at log on, when ideal. So when you want to take a backup, at the start of the system, what happened? Nonsense. Also we can add this schedule part. Okay, options like once. Okay, once at system start, and system startup, at log on. What is at log on means? When you log into the system, then immediately backup first it will start. After that one, it will give you chance to work on it. So this is extra options of schedule backup type. Okay. So what is it? Do you want to do it once this time only, or you want to do daily kind of stuff? Means regular interval of time. At log on or this one. These are extra options. Understand? Once means one time. Okay. Weekly, so you can see daily, this is a daily, every day which time, every day which time. Second, weekly. Okay, every 1 week on weeks, like you want to take more often, like all the except Saturday Sunday, you can weeks on, you can select it on which time. Okay, you can select end date, so we can schedule also, like from starting date, end date, every 10 minutes you want to take this backup. Okay, every minutes also you can take, you can go to advanced and you can check it. Repeat the task. Okay, every 10 minutes you want to take it. Okay, time or a duration, so we can't take, you can take it like that. Okay, so every week, every 3 weeks, every 1 week, every 1 week, every 2 weeks, every 2 weeks Monday, like that, alternative weeks, right? Monthly, which month you want to take it. Okay. So time, date, and which month. On month, every month, or all months, or a specific month. Okay, all months you want to take a first Monday, or a particular day, also you can do it. Monthly completed, right? Once means now, kind of stuff. Okay, at a system startup, when I start my PC first, it will backups, then remaining process. At login, when I log into PC, username, password, and first it will back up and do it. When ideal, when ideal means when you're running a system and you are not doing anything in the system, automatically it is go to in ideal condition, right? So the process is running now, but it is having very less burden on it, it is having very less burden on it. So automatically it run that time. And also there is a after task schedule completed, ideal time, and all other settings also available. Okay, I want to run now only. Next, yeah, this is the details, finish. Now I'm taking a backup. What is shadow copy? Different type of backups are there, actually. Slowly we have to go one by one, then only we'll understand what it is, kind of stuff. But I'm getting this body pains, sleep deprivation. Okay, it is take only 1 second to complete the backup, but start the processing, ending process is take time. Okay, it is completed. Wait. Okay, so here you can see the report. After taking any backup, better to check their reports if it is generated. See the backup status, backup, and what is the name of the backup when it is created. Okay, the location where we copy the backup thing, and also you can see the normal backup, and two directories, Three files wise it is showing. Okay, three files we done a backup. Next, close. Now, can you see this? Archive attributes are gone. Okay, archive attributes are gone. Next, F drive. So this is my normal backup. This is my normal backup. This is showing a 14 KB. See, actually this data 3 data is not even a 3 KB. It is adding some extra information. That's why size will be increases. Okay, if files are very big, then backup location is a little bit plus or minus, but files are very small, the comparison wise it is shows a different way. Okay, this is archive attribute. Now I'm going to modify my f2, so I'm adding modify, just a word, that's enough. So automatically, can you see, archive attribute is came, means if you add a line or a deleted line or something text, we change it in the file, automatically it is done. Now I'm going to create a new text file. Here it is, f4. So can you see, when I create it again, it is showing archive attribute, and I will show like this. This is f4 file, something I've written. Okay, so now two files are there. One file is just modified and another file is just created. Okay, so I am going to take backup again. Now this time I will go to accessories, system tools, backup again. Next, let me choose computer, E drive, data one, and if I open data one, it is showing I selected all the files. See guys, I selected all the files. I didn't select only two files. I selected all the files. Next, mm, date. I will keep the date and I will put a what type of backup it is. Incremental backup. So if you want to write backup also, you can write. Otherwise, incremental is enough. Next, advance. Change it to incremental. Change it to incremental. Next, next, next. Finish. Okay. Let it do the backup thing. If you want to see the copy backup and differential backup type, so I will show you that one also. Now it is backup completed and report. So it backups only two files only. So in there it is, I selected four files, but it backupped only two files only. Incremental backup. Okay. This is a report. Can you see log file? Log give you information. Log means it give you information. Class. So what happened? These attributes are removed because of its incremental backup. It backups, which is marked as a backup, and also it remove the attribute, archive attribute. It means it marked as a backup. So it's, if you feel it is lengthy or more like a, okay. Okay. So this is incremental backup, right? I open. Next. Sorry. What is the last one? I've opened. No, there is having so many things. Today's date, I want today's date. Yeah, this is incremental backup. So open E drive data. Can you see only two files only backup, not all the files. I selected all four files, but it is only two files only, it is backup. Okay, so that is the thing. If you see the normal backup, previous backup, like this, you can see, I told now. So three files we backupped in normal backup, those three files here. This is incremental backup, which is marked as a backup for backup purpose. It is backup and it remove the archive attributes to marking as a backup file. Okay, and already I told based on date and time entire location wise it is information stores, not a just like a compression saving and all, but it is important thing is okay the location information, the metadata should be there. Okay, next here I'm going to create one more folder, data 1. Okay, data 2. Okay, so in data 2 I'm also creating new files here. um, um, okay, so this time I will put a g1 file. The file name is g1 file. Okay, next g2 file. Okay, two files I can put it. So if you want to, if you can add the text, this is g1 file. Okay, so I created two files in this. Okay, so now I want to take a backup of this one by using copy backup. So backup wizard, backup, next backup settings. Let me choose uh, okay, so data 2. So select. Okay, next I'm doing copy backup. Okay, so just for understanding only we are to give a correct name, but date is today's date only. You can give 1 2 3 4 if you want. So I'm doing copy backup. So what is a copy backup? It backups the selected files, but it not marked as a backup. So if you see archive attribute is there, I'm doing copy backup. Copy, finish, and we have to wait. Um, in which ways there is a okay, let it do backup. So it should be put more information. Okay, it is completed. So you can go to the report and see it is a copy backup. Two files are selected, two files are get backup. Close. Okay, now can you see this? After backup, it is not changing any attributes here. Attributes are not changing. Okay, next. Again, I'm going to backup thing only. Um, Files, E drive, data to select. Okay, so just normally I put a normal backup. By name, it won't understand anything. For our understanding only. Normal to okay advanced. I'm taking normal backup. Okay. Is anyone is asking any question? What is a block level and file level centralized storage? Okay, that's fine. It is taking time. Yeah, completed. So again, check the report, normal backup, two files, and close this one. And then can you see after normal backup removes the attributes. Copy backup, don't remove the attributes. Okay. Now if I add any file here, G3. So it's a new file, right? So it is a new file. This is G3 file. It's a new file. Okay. So archive attribute is there. If I modify this file, archive attributes appears again. Now what I'm going to do is I'm going to take a differential backup. Okay. So it means I selected all three files. Next. mm, Differential backup. Next. Advanced. Differential. Next. 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 Finish. Again. What is a differential backup? Those who are marked as a back it so it marks it backup only those who are having a archive attribute. So it will back up that one only, and it does not mark the does not mark as a backup. It means it won't remove the archive attribute. Actually, for experiment purpose, from so many almost like almost 3 4 years, I'm using this mission now. So I'm getting lot of back and backup databases in real time. You have to keep these backup things records properly. How much time it is? Only one file is there to take a backup. even block level backup is also there. Why it is backup is came. It's completed or not? Yeah, completed. First we have to finish this one. So only one file out of three file, one file is backup. It is using a differential. But what is it? It does not mark as a backup. It backup this file only, but it does not mark as a that as a backup. If you want to verify, you can go this one differential backup. Next, restore. Next, what is the latest one? These are not even a latest one. This is date wise it is there. Normal backup, normal to this is differential backup. Data to only one single file only it is backup, but it is won't marked as a don't mark it as a backup. It means it not removing this one. So these are the files. In generally, if you lost the files, what will happen? If you lost the files, for example, I deleted the files. Shift delete. Okay. Now, how do you dealing with it? Means how to restore that one? You have to check it. Either you double click on VKF file, or you can go to backup. There you can find restore option. Next, restore files and settings. Next, so which one you want to restore? I told no lot of things. Um, I added, so here that's why it is very big one. So I want to go with the normal backup. Mm, Normal backup means E drive. So which one? Data one. Okay. Next, incremental backup. Okay. Okay. Maybe. So first of all, I try to restore my first three files. Next. So here advanced location, original location, alternate location, single folder. So you want to restore into original location, or you want to restore into alternate location, means different location. First to test the backup is working or not, means restoration is working or not. Backup is not corrupted, restoration is working correct. For that one, alternate location. But you are having very confidence about your backup and all, you can use original. Single folder means you can store in somewhere. That's it. So both are same, alternate and all. So I'm selecting original location only. Okay, I will trust my backup. Replace the existing file if older than backup files. Okay, so leave the existing files or replace existing file if older than a backup files kind of stuff. Replace existing files also there. There are some selections you have to read it, pause it and read it. That's it. Okay, so it is backup request at this one. Okay, okay. Can you see here? It is tape drive symbol. Now it is showing three files are restored. So here it is. I got a three files with archive attribute, of course. and F2 actually two lines are there, only one line is showing. Why? It is when I take the backup, that time one line is there. After second, then only I added it an extra line, then I done a incremental backup. So I am going to go with the incremental again. I am restoring that incremental backup. Again it is asking things. Incremental backup. Next, in incremental backup, we have two files. One file is common. One file F2 is a common for both the things. Original file, original location. Next, this is important. Replacement. Finish. Okay, what will happen? The old F2 file will be replaced with a new F2 file. Means incremental is taken later, right? So automatically like that. Report two files only there was a class. So I got all my four files and you have to see the old file is gone, the modified file will came. So like this. This is a totally type of backups and how to backup and restore.